All right, we're at the Twanta location. It is 12/12/2025. We are on the left slope of the home doing a repairability test on our damaged shingle X. X has a stress fracture going across the top and is no longer sealed. We have marked out the adjacent shingles next to them, 258, 4 and 7, 136. The purpose of this repairability test is to determine if the shingles surrounding them will either pass or fail during the proper repairability. There are no signs of damage on the adjacent shingles, no rips, tears, or stress fractures going across the top. Here is a quick overview of each individual shingle before the repair. During our repair, we will be using a 45-degree angler to ensure that we do not lift the shingle more than a 45 degree. We will be using a roofing snake to unseal the shingles. We will be trying to try to be as gentle as possible when unsealing so that way there's no mat transfer. If there's any type of damages, we will show you towards the end once we have the shingle fully removed and placed back down, and we will mark those out as well. We're going to go ahead and get started. We gave you a quick overview. We also have before photos, and then we will have after photos when we are finished. We're going to move a little closer to ensure that we have good visibility. Yep. So this is our damaged shingle, adjacent shingles next to them and above. This is our 45-degree angler that we will be using. Here is our flat roofing snake that we will be using to unseal. And then we also have a hatchet that we will use to hammer back down. We do have a high nail in 7. have removed the shingle. We're going to go ahead and place the shingle back down, nail it back down, and see our final results. Did have a high nail in 7. We are all finished with repairability. Here's a quick overglance of each individual shingle after repair. We do have some stress fractures starting to occur alongside 4. On the edges, we have stress fractures starting to occur on 3 on the edges. 7, where our high nail is starting to occur stress fracture across the top. Next, we will be looking for any type of mat transfer, rips or tears within the shingle. Looking at 1, we have a little mat transfer on 1 towards the edge. Looking at 3, we have mat transfer on 3. Looking at 6. Mat transfer towards the edge on 6. Looking at 7. Transfer as well. 4. And then looking at 2, 5, and 8. Look at 5. And then 8. Alright, so from the looks of it, we had mat transfer 1, 3, 4, and 7. We have stress fracturings on 7 and 4, making this repairability a fail.